friends, I hope everyone is having a good afternoon or evening or morning wherever you're at. I just wanted to share new dies that I received from a company called globalland.com. They reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in trying some of their products and giving an honest review of how I like them. So far, just on initial impression, I feel like they look very sturdy and they look well made. These three are packaged very nicely. This came as a set, so it was packaged separately, but everything came very nicely packaged, and it came promptly too. So these are the ones that I received. This is a birthday card, birthday party kind of themed. And I love the scalloped edge. I just think this could be useful for very many things, not just a birthday, but it has a little ice cream cone and things like that. So this will actually be the first one that I use. I have lots of birthdays coming up later this month, and I plan on making some cards. So stay tuned and keep watch for that coming up soon. And if you're not, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. So I got this one, which looks like a lot of fun, and I can't wait to start playing. I received this one, which is a pumpkin die, and there's like a pie die cut. There is pumpkins. There are words that say, I can't remember what they say now. What is it? Thankful, grateful, blessed. And then some little apples and leaves. All of these are going to come in very useful. And we're approaching the fall season very soon. So these will be fun to use. And this is another one. This is just a little wreath and some leaves. It says Happy Thanksgiving. There's a cute little squirrel, an acorn, and all different kinds of leaves. These are going to be so fun to use. This here is a little gingerbread house, and I have been playing a lot with gingerbread lately. I'm feeling pretty obsessed and have big plans for my Christmas tree this year, which I'm gonna go with a whole gingerbread theme, so I'm excited about that. And the Christmas in July has really gotten me in the mood for Christmas already, which that's a first. That's never happened before. But this is a little gingerbread house, and it has all the little pieces to decorate. So this is going to be fun to use, and probably will be the second tutorial that I do. So after this one, I'll do this one first. And then this is just a set that came all together, and it's nested tags and banner pieces, and just super useful, and I'm excited to use these too. This, I can't wait to make some like a little banner or something with it. I think it's adorable. I love all of them. But so that is what I received from globalland.com, and I will put their link below, and I will also add links to all the products that they sent me. So if you're interested in using any of these or purchasing any of these, you will be able to go directly to the link. So their website is super easy to navigate. You just set up an account and click whatever you're interested in. They have everything from scrapbooking to card making supplies. So go check them out, and there will also be a special coupon code especially for my subscribers. So look for that also in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. I will come back very soon with a tutorial on how to use this die set. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.